How to build custom Python decorators for AI pipelines. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your AI projects by creating and implementing custom decorators in Python. You'll learn to streamline your code, improve modularity, and boost reusability. Did you know that a small addition to your Python code can transform your AI projects from good to exceptional? Welcome to our dive into Python decorators, a powerful tool to enhance code modularity and reusability. Today, we'll explore how these decorators can streamline your AI pipeline development. Imagine cutting down on repetitive code and making your functions more versatile all with a few lines of Python. We'll start with the basics of decorators, integrate them into AI functions, and even look at optimizing computational efficiency. Stick with us to transform your AI projects.
Python decorators are a design pattern that allows you to add new functionality to an existing object without modifying its structure. They are represented by the @decorator_name syntax and are commonly used to enhance the behavior of functions or methods in Python. Imagine you have a function, and you want to log its execution time without altering its core logic. Decorators can help. They act like wrappers, modifying the function's behavior while keeping it clean and readable. In real-world applications, decorators are used for logging, authentication, and more. They play a critical role in making your code more modular and efficient. Creating a basic Python decorator is simpler than it seems. Start by defining a function that takes another function as an argument. Inside, you can define a nested function to modify the behavior. For example, let's create a logging decorator. Define a function log_decorator func and within it, create a wrapper function. This wrapper can execute additional code before or after calling func. By using return wrapper, you effectively wrap the original function, adding new functionality. Try it out by applying at log_decorator to any function you want to monitor. Notice how decorators provide flexibility and modularity, making your code cleaner and more organized.
Integrating decorators into AI pipeline functions can significantly enhance the workflow. Consider an AI pipeline with stages like data ingestion, pre-processing, model training, and evaluation. By applying decorators, you can streamline these stages. For instance, use decorators to log time taken for data loading or to manage exception handling during pre-processing. They can also be used to cache results, improving efficiency during model training. This integration not only makes the codebase more organized but also ensures that your AI projects are scalable and maintainable. Decorators, when strategically placed, can automate tasks, reduce errors, and save valuable development time. Handling exceptions and logging are crucial for robust AI pipelines. Decorators can be your best ally in managing these tasks. Create a decorator to catch exceptions in your AI functions, ensuring that errors are logged and handled gracefully. By encapsulating error handling in a decorator, you keep your code clean and focused. Similarly, logging decorators can provide insights into function execution, capturing valuable information such as time taken, input parameters, and output results. This level of detail aids in debugging and optimizing your pipeline. Implementing these decorators makes your AI projects not only more efficient but also more reliable and easier to maintain. Optimizing computational efficiency is vital in AI pipelines, where speed can be a critical factor. Decorators can help achieve this by implementing caching mechanisms, such as memoization. Memoization stores results of expensive function calls and returns the cached result when the same inputs occur again, reducing redundant computations. By using decorators for caching, you can significantly improve the performance of functions involved in data processing or model training. In real-world AI applications, this translates to faster execution times and more responsive systems. With efficient use of decorators, you can ensure that your AI projects are not only effective but also fast and scalable.
Let's look at some real-world examples where decorators have made a significant impact in AI projects. In the industry, decorators are used extensively to manage logging, caching, and error handling in complex AI systems. For instance, in a machine learning pipeline for fraud detection, decorators were used to efficiently log transaction data and manage exceptions, enhancing the system's reliability. In another case, decorators helped optimize model training by caching intermediate results, saving computation time and resources. These examples illustrate how decorators can elevate productivity and maintainability, making them an indispensable tool in the AI toolkit.
Testing and debugging are essential to ensure that your custom decorators function as expected. Start by testing decorators in isolation, verifying that they modify functions correctly without side effects. Implement unit tests to cover various scenarios and edge cases. Tools like PyTest can be invaluable for this purpose. When debugging, common issues might include incorrect argument handling or unexpected side effects. Trace through the decorator logic to identify and resolve these issues. Following best practices in testing not only ensures that your decorators are robust but also boosts confidence in their integration into larger AI systems, leading to smoother, more reliable operations.
We've covered a lot today, from understanding Python decorators to implementing them in AI pipelines for enhanced efficiency and modularity. Remember, decorators are not just a coding trick, they're a powerful tool to transform your AI projects. I encourage you to explore and practice implementing decorators in your own projects. If you have questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more content in this series, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next.